How to allow automatic refresh on Rednote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable automatic refresh on the Rednote app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Rednote app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your Rednote account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen and you will be prompted to the profile section. From here, you can simply tap on the settings. And in the settings section, you can see the option labeled general settings. Simply tap on that. Now, in this section, you can see the option labeled allow automatic refresh. Simply toggle on that switch. And by doing this, you have successfully enabled automatic refresh on the Rednote app. And that's all there is to it. With this, you have enabled the automatic refresh on Rednote app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.